keeping families healthy.
There's a magnificent, wonderful power that's contained within us all. There's an innate recuperative healing power. In French, it's called the Élan vital, the vital force. The very power that made our body still resides and exists within our body. That power flows from above down, inside out. The brain is what runs the entire body, and that information, that transmission, that electrical energy, this life force flows from the brain through the spine, through the spinal cord, out transmitted over one of the 31 pairs of spinal nerves into the organs, tissues, and cells of the body, controlling, coordinating, and directing all aspects of health, healing, function, and repair. This spine must be healthy in order for the body to stay healthy. If bones move out of alignment, subluxate, misalign, interfere with that communication, block it, we call it a subluxation. Subluxation interferes with the normal functioning and healing and repair of the human body. We specialize in locating these subluxations. Chiropractors remove the subluxation, remove the interference to once again reestablish normal communication between the brain and the organs and the cells of the body. And once that occurs, the body then reclaims its own, very own ability to heal and mend itself. When a patient walks through the door for the first time, our goal is singular. It is the restoration and then the maintenance and preservation of the structural integrity of the human nerve system. By doing so, that will reestablish normal communication, normal function through this system that drives all healing and repair to the body and keep it healthy for life. That is our number one objective, to make sure the brain can communicate properly with the body. When that happens, we know the body will then possess its greatest ability, its greatest chance and opportunity to heal and mend itself, and then once again keep itself healthy for life. So in this respect, chiropractic adjustments, chiropractic care is not a treatment or cure for any disease. While we have any condition, sickness, and disease that you can name walk through our door, chiropractic does not treat or cure one of them. It does something more superior. It removes interference, impediments to the system that controls and coordinates all health and healing in the human body. That's the brain and nerve system. When the body has its fullest ability to heal on its own, it then can restore, reestablish normal balance, homeostasis, can then get itself back to health and healing and keep it there for life. Again, the body is smart, it's intelligent, it always knows the right thing to do. It can always, without interference, bring itself back to health and wholeness. Again, our job is simply to locate, detect anything interfering with the innate healing, recuperative power of the human body. And then once again, once that occurs, the body can then bring itself back to health and well-being and keep itself healthy for life.
Heal me with love.